You know when you're working in Google Sheets and you see those little triangles in the top right corner of a cell and you think, hang on a minute, is that a comment or is it a note? And what's the difference between the two? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly that, what each one does, when to use them, and some quick examples so you know which one to pick next time. So if you're ready, then let's get started. So let's start with notes. So notes are basically like little sticky notes that live inside the cell. And to add one, I'm just going to click on this cell here where it says date created. So to add a note, you can either use the keyboard shortcut, which was Shift and F2, and then type in your note, or you can right click on the cell where you want the note to go and then scroll down to insert note here. Or the final way is to click on the cell where you want the note to go to insert on the toolbar up here, and then click insert note here. So whichever way you do it, it brings up a note box here with the words type here, and it's highlighted for you just to quickly type in the note that you want to insert. So once you've typed in your note, you can click out of the cell, and then anytime you hover over that cell, the note appears for you to read it. So these are great for things like leaving yourself a reminder, writing where your data came from maybe, or jotting down instructions for later. So for example, in this sheet, which I use in one of my courses, I include notes in the column headers here, so users know how to fill in that particular column. But there are some limitations when it comes to using notes. For example, you can only have one note per cell, you can't tag people in the note, and there's no history of any changes made in the notes themselves. So they really are just like reminders. And whilst anyone can see and read the notes that's got access to this particular sheet, it's not ideal for collaboration. So that brings us on to comments. Now, comments are more powerful because they're built for collaboration. So to add one, again, we can right click on the cell and choose comment down the bottom here. Or we can go to insert on the menu and then scroll down to comment here. So here's what you can do with comments. I'm just going to type in a comment here. So I've just typed in a comment, please can you double check who the files are shared with once they're listed. And here's what you can do with the comments. You can tag somebody by typing in @ and then their email address. So this particular comment, I want somebody to actually take ownership of this particular instruction that I've put in this comment. So to do that, I'm just going to type @ and type in an email address here. It then gives you an option to assign this particular comment to that person. So once you tick the box there to assign that particular task, that person will then receive an email letting them know that they've been assigned a particular comment or task to them. So you just click assign and you can see the comment is now there. Also within comments, you can reply within the comment itself and have like a mini conversation within the comment that's related to that particular cell. So when you hover over this cell here, the comment appears, and you can click on here to edit it because I'm the owner of it, but somebody else could actually reply to that comment and again have a mini conversation. And then once the comments are done or the tasks are done, you can actually resolve the comment by clicking on this tick icon here, and it will hide that discussion. Now, if you want to view the comment history, you can simply click on this comment speech bubble up here in the top right corner. That will show all of the comments over here on the right hand side. Another way of getting to that is by going to the view on the menu, go to comments and then show all comments here. And it will open up the same pane over here on the right hand side. So this lists all past and current comments for this particular sheet. And you can click on any comment in this panel to automatically jump to that particular cell where the comment is contained. You'll also notice down here in the bottom on the sheet name, it will give you the number of comments included in this sheet. And it will also tell you when you hover over it, it will give you the actual cell reference as well where the comment is located. And again, you can also click on see all here for it to open up on the right hand side here. So that was comments. So here's what to remember. Notes are simple and static. Think of them as a reminder stuck within a cell. Comments are dynamic and collaborative, like having mini chat threads attached to the cell. So now you know the difference between notes and comments in Google Sheets. And if you've ever mixed them up, you're not alone, honestly. Drop me a comment below and let me know which one you use most often and why. And don't forget, whilst you're there, subscribe to my channel for more quick Google Workspace tips that make your workday just a little bit easier. As always, thanks a million for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye for now.